Hi everyone, so in this tutorial I want to show you how to do a baby roll hem on silk charmeuse, or you could do polyester charmeuse. I just wanted to show it to you because this fabric is very light and airy and flowy, and sometimes it's hard to manage the hem. So these hemmer feet are really great. I have the 1/8, 1/16, and 1/4. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put this into the machine. The first step we have to do is get this thread down through that hole. So we're just going to hand crank forward and bring that the thread through. Okay. Now I have the wrong side up. I'm going to lay it into my hemmer foot. There's this little guide here that's where you would want to roll it around. So you're always testing on your self fabric before you get started, because sometimes you have to really roll it over like this, just a little bit. So test it until you get the right technique. But I like to put my fingers in here to help guide it. And I'm just looking to see what's coming out of the other end here. See if it's rolling. And it is. So as you notice, I'm kind of just bringing it a little bit to my left, and then with my fingers guiding it into the roller foot. And you don't want to stretch the charmeuse because it will definitely stretch out and give you a really weird hemline at the bottom. And then this side will just look nice like that. And then when you're done with this, you want to press it from the inside. Just press it here. If you don't want a really crisp look, then you can just leave it like that. And that's how we make the rolled hem on your silk charmeuse.